Welcome back to Virtual Reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Today I prepared a video with a lot of VR accessories for the Oculus Quest 2. Not only from VRCover, the face insert, the head straps, batteries, prescription lenses, controller protectors and adapter kits, sound kits, whatever. I will show you all the stuff now. Very important is that you will find the prices and the links in the description below, and if you still don't have the Oculus Quest 2, you can also buy it via the link in the description below. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel thanks to my sponsors Woodoo's VR, Oppermann Events, Peter Barsmeier, Andi de Velzer, VR Ambassador, Virtual Escape and Adams Group. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, here we are, and now I want to show you all the cool stuff for the Oculus Quest 2. And the most important thing is that you will find all the links to buy it in the description below, as well as the price. I will not tell you the price now because it changes all the time. So you will just check out the description and there you will find the links and the prices. So let's just start with the original Quest 2 Elite strap here. This is a really cool thing. It integrates a comfortable headset with a battery that so you can play more hours with the Oculus Quest 2, and it's really definitely more comfortable. And there is also a bag included. It's this bag here, and of course you can put all the Quest 2 stuff inside. Give me a second. I will open that here. Sorry, that's the original strap. You can put the controllers here and the Oculus Quest here and the charging kit here. That's a good thing. It's included, and the head strap itself looks like this here. So you have a really comfortable wheel here that you can use, and the strap for the head. And here's the charging cable that you will insert in the USB-C of the Quest 2. And here you can, you can charge the head strap itself. It's cool. But the problem is it's not available so often. So you really have to check the link out if that works. And yeah, let's continue. So the next thing I want to show you stuff from BestWhenVR, and that's this package here. So it comes with all silicone stuff. So this is a silicone cover for the Quest itself. It protects the Quest 2, the cameras and all the charging stuff. There's a hole inside. Then for the foam, you can put that on the foam for the Oculus Quest 2. I can show it to you here. It would look like this here, and then you have a silicone here on your face, and I think that's much more comfortable. But of course it depends. If you like silicone, then go for it. If not, then not. Then here protectors for the controllers, the complete protectors, the rings are protected and the grips. And then we have protector for the lenses. If you just don't use the Quest 2, you can put that on the lenses. And then we have something very cool. This is a charging cable. So I prepared that for you. This is the right controller, and as you can see, I removed the original cover for the controller and I put this battery inside here. So this is a rechargeable battery, and you will put this small thing here inside and then just close it again here. And then, as you can see, there's a hole inside, and you use this cable with a magnetic port, zack, to put it here and just connect it somewhere where it gets power, and you don't have to open the cover. That's pretty cool. This is from BestWhenVR, the silicone stuff and the magnetic charging kit from BestWhenVR. That's very interesting. Put it on the side now. You can, as I said, you can find the link in the description below for all that stuff. Put it here on the side. And then the next thing is, if you want to record some cool videos and you need a better microphone, then for example with OBS or whatever, or if you just want to play PC VR games and have a better microphone, then I would recommend the Antlion wireless mic. And that package contains the microphone itself with a magnetic part. You will find it here. You can glue it or stick it to the Oculus Quest 2 and then just click. And then, of course, you can also move the microphone here if you like. And then there's the USB dongle here that you will insert in the PC. And I can tell you, this is a really good microphone. It has a good quality. Antlion wireless mic, that's the name of it. Then let's continue with VRCover. There's a lot of stuff from VRCover. Let's start with the lens protectors. If you don't use the Oculus Quest 2, you can use the lens protectors here. So it also protects from sunlight. That's the first thing from VRCover. The next thing is disposable hygiene cover for Oculus Quest 2. This is for one-time use. It's good for VR arcades. You just stick it on the original foam and then you can use it once. And you can buy it in a package, I think, of 50 pieces or 20. You find it in the description below. The next thing that I'm not sure why, it just replaces the original head strap for the Oculus Quest 2. It's not better, it's not really better, it's the same material, it's the same look. It's just a replacement. I think if it gets dirty or if it gets broken or whatever, and then you can just replace the original head strap cover. And this is called head strap replacement for Oculus Quest 2 from VRCover. Oh, so wow, there's a hole here. That shouldn't be the case. Whatever. So that's it. And then the next thing is VRCover made from fabric. Look at this. This is fabric, and you will just put it over the original strap, the face foam, like it would look like this here. And yeah, it's washable. You can wash it in the washing machine, and yeah, so it's pretty hygienic. If you like that, just go for it. It's called VRCover for Oculus Quest 2. That's it. And the next thing is also a cover, but this is from silicone. It's also from VRCover. It's called Silicone Cover Dark Blue for Oculus Quest 2. There are different colors. This is dark blue, and you will just put it over the original face foam as well. It looks like this. And for me, to be honest, it's really comfortable. I prefer it over the fabric material. The silicone material is much better. For me, at least, it cools your head a little bit. And yeah, you can buy it via the link in the description below. Silicone cover for the Oculus Quest 2 from VRCover. Okay, that's it. And then the next thing is, this is awesome. It's a Halo controller protector for Oculus Quest 2. I prepared it for you for the left controller. Look at this. It protects the ring of the Oculus Quest 2 here, and you can see you can remove it here, and it's a nice thing. It's really a nice thing. So of course you get a pair of two, and it comes in different colors. You can also use I think a dark one, but this is a bright one. And the next thing from VRCover is the controller grips for Oculus Quest 2. Looks like this. There's also a replacement for the straps. And I also prepared that. This is a pair of two, and I connected the left one here. Look at this. It looks like the Valve Index controllers. So you will put it here around your hands and pull it here to tighten it, and then you can just leave it. And it's great. It's really great. If you want to remove it, just push the button here and then remove it, or tighten it here. And it also has this protector here for the grips. So that's a good combination for this one and this one. And that's called controller grips for Oculus Quest 2 in light gray. That's it. The next thing is from Business Company VR. So we have a adapter kit here for the HTC Vive Deluxe audio strap. That's really comfortable, and it's also a good sound included. And you will just replace the or put that on the sides for the Oculus Quest 2 here. And then here on this round thing here, connect the Deluxe audio strap. And we also have for the headband here this little adapter that you can also put inside. And yeah, that's really cool. It's nothing big, but it's a cool adapter kit from Business Company VR. See the link in the description below. Then, if you want to stream some stuff to your TV, the live stream of the Oculus Quest 2 mirror, then you can use this device here. It's called Google Chromecast Ultra, and you will connect it via HDMI to whatever your TV, your PC, laptop, or whatever, then connect it to USB power, and then you can just from the Oculus Quest 2 say share and then stream, and then you can see the live image including the sound on the device where you connected the Chromecast Ultra. The next thing is, if you want to have really good sound with the Oculus Quest 2, there is a mod kit from the company PayP in Germany that makes this cool Modi caps here, and you will just insert the original strap into this slot here and on the other side as well, and then you just have a very cool sound here. The headphones are from Sennheiser model HD25, and they have a really good sound quality. Of course, this is not cheap, but it has a really good sound quality. If you like that, go for it and check the link in the description for the PayP Modi cap for Oculus Quest 2. Oh, there's another thing from VRCover. Haha. So there's also the protectors for the eyes here. I already showed that to you. And then we have the complete face gasket here that you can remove from the Oculus Quest 2, and then put this stuff here onto the face gasket, and then you have artificial leather here, and then it's really comfortable. It's really comfortable, but of course it depends on you. Do you want leather material, fabric, or silicone? That's your decision. I showed you all the three stuff here, and then just go for it. And if you want to buy it from VRCover, check the link in the description below. It's called Facial Interface and Foam Replacement for Oculus Quest 2 by VRCover. The next thing is a battery with much power. We have the VR power set here. And this is a really huge battery, a really heavy, huge battery, but it also spreads the weight on your back. You just put it over the original strap here, connect it via the included cable, then push the button, and then you have the power. Push twice and then it's off. You can also charge other devices here with that. And that's a really good thing. The VR power for Oculus Quest 2 and 1. The next thing is, this is from VR, and these are, what's that called? VR silicone earmuffs for Oculus Quest 2. And you will look like Mickey Mouse here. So what you're gonna do is you put it on the original straps here, and it just fills the sound, leads the sound into this shells here, into these earmuffs, and of course the sound is much louder and more clear then, but don't expect something very awesome. It's cool, but to be honest, you look like an idiot with that. So check out the link in the description below for HMVR earmuffs. Put it back here in that stuff. And then we have Oculus Link. That's very important. There are different cables. The original cable is $80. That's a lot. but of course it has a good quality and it will work. But there are also third-party cables that are much cheaper, like this one from Cable Creation. There is a set of 3 pieces. It's this adapter cable 5 meters, then one cable that's 1.5 meters, and an adapter cable so you can put it into the Quest 2. The set of the 3 cables is much cheaper than the original one, and it works great. You can find it in the description below, also the original cable. And the thing that I want to show you is we have some prescription lenses that you can insert on the Oculus Quest 1 and 2, and it's just easy. Just put it onto the original lenses here like this, and then you don't need your glasses anymore. Just put it on here and then it works. And if you use the coupon code, everything is written in uppercase YouTube 10, then you get $5 off if you want to buy it. The company is in Germany, and it's called Nasenfahrrad24.de. And you can check it out in the description below. So guys, that were all the Quest 2 accessories that I have here at home. If I missed something, if you have another cool accessory, please write it in the comments below so that I can add it in the description. It's very important that you check out the description, because there you will find the prices and the links, of course, to all this stuff. Would be great if you use my links. Some of them are affiliate links, so that I get a little bit money for that. You will not pay anything extra, of course. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE